Okay. We have our guest for today. Okay. Walang tang, kundi si number one. Before that, I would like to doon muna tayo sa mga the people. Wait lang. Teka lang. The people behind the film first. Okay? First, our producer, of course. Our producer is Miss Giselle Acuña. Let's give her a round of applause. Dito ka po stage mo. Okay. She's our producer. Of course, we have also our writer, Mr. Alfred Reyes. Our writer. And of course, yes, of course, our director, Mr. Roman Carlo Olivares. Okay. Before that, sila muna, okay? Alam kong excited kayo. So, sila muna ang bibigyan ko ng pagkakataon to speak to you, okay? So, what can you say?
Maraming salamat sa pag-manood at saka sa pagtawa. Nakakatawa siya dito. Okay. Sino yung mga papasa ng upkan dito? Yay! Congratulations! Salamat sa panonood. Okay, kaya hindi pa kayo bababa. Okay na kayo dyan? Okay. And of course, our actor and actress. Please. Of course, our actor, Mr. Felix Roland, and Jasmine Morley. Hello, welcome. So, Okay, let's give them this time to speak, okay? Para naman masalamatan na yung person. Teka lang. Okay, Mr. Felix, what can you say? And this is the chance for you to thank all of your chorus fans. Sino ang naiiba? So, thank you very much. Okay? Photo muna. I'll give you the time to have some photo opportunity. Okay, photo time na lang. Photo kayo. Okay. Sabi naman ako.
Dahan-dahan lang. Pagalo na yun. fans ka man pala na may fans ka man pala. Dapat.
Grabe sila po, sumisipan. Sinisipan talaga. Oh, si Felix, nahawag mo ngayon. Okay. Eh, si ano, bakit sa amin ka lang nagpapa-autograph? Bakit sa amin ka lang?
Papila mo lang. Order nila lahat.
Labasin ko kayo lahat.
One by one.
Labasin ko kayo lahat. Magkagamit na ko.
Ano man yung sa likod?
Kasama po sa picture.
Di ba ka mo? Picture na. Ha? Gani-gani doon sa upibalon.com. Ibalon.com. www.upibalon.com. Kaya 2 days from now.
Sige, kuya, dali.